Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Ria, and I'm really happy that you are here with us today.
And I'm Shiva. Thank you so much for joining us. If you are someone who wants to learn English in a simple and natural way, then this podcast is just for you.
You know, many people think that English is very difficult. They feel nervous. They feel shy. And sometimes they are afraid of making mistakes.
But let me tell you something very important. Making mistakes is not bad. In fact, mistakes are the first step to learning something new.
Exactly. And that's why, in this podcast, we don't focus on perfection. We focus on practice.
We speak simple English. We explain everything step by step so that you can understand easily and start speaking confidently.
And today's topic is something very useful, something you can use in your daily life.
Yes, today we are going to learn present continuous tense.
This tense helps you talk about what is happening right now, like what you are doing, what others are doing.
And trust me, once you understand this tense, you will start speaking English more naturally.
So don't worry, don't feel nervous. Just relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat after us.
Because learning English is not about memorizing, it's about practicing.
And we are here to practice together.
So, are you ready?
Let's start learning.
Ria, let me ask you something. What are you doing right now?
I am talking to you, and I am also teaching English.
Exactly. This is present continuous tense.
It means the action is happening right now.
Let's make it super simple. Subject plus am slash is slash are plus verb plus ing.
So whenever something is happening now, we use this structure.
Like I am speaking, you are listening.
We are learning together.
Ria, let's give some real life examples.
Okay,
I am drinking coffee.
I am recording this podcast.
She is cooking dinner.
They are playing outside.
See? These are all actions happening now.
And you can use this in your daily life easily. But Shiva, what if I want to say something is not happening?
Good question. Subject plus am slash is slash are plus not plus verb plus ing. Just add not.
Like, I am not sleeping.
He is not working.
We are not watching TV.
Simple.
Now let's ask questions.
Yes. Am slash is slash are plus subject plus verb plus ing. Are you learning English?
Yes, I am.
Is she studying?
No, she isn't.
Am I speaking clearly?
Yes, you are.
Ria, what are you doing after this?
I am going home, and I am resting.
Nice. I am editing this podcast.
And you guys, what are you doing right now?
Think and say it in English.
Maybe I am watching this video.
Today, you learned something very useful.
Present continuous tense.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Speak daily, even small sentences,
And don't be afraid of mistakes.
because we are learning together.
See you in the next episode.
Thank you for listening.
If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Like, share, and comment if you found this helpful.